Welcome back, but before we get into the video, make sure you like and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can start doing giveaways for y'all. Now let's get into the video. Augmented reality is a computer-generated interactive experience. The computer creates a system which looks like the real world. Augmented means having been made greater in size or value, which means it makes an image or changes reality. Augmented reality, or AR for short, is usually used for entertainment, construction, phones, cars, etc. Augmented reality is being used for gaming like Pokemon Go in 2016. Augmented reality is different from virtual reality because AR creates something that isn't there and blends it into the real world. VR creates a whole new world that isn't there. Augmented reality is making rapid strides in today's world, but it will be bigger in the future. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.